NNDM technical analysis, fundamental statistics, along with reviewing my current positions and their price targets, starting off with the price action. Luckily, we did yesterday on Friday, we did break out of this descending level of resistance. We had a couple validations, we had a couple false breakouts, but we did end the day above it, and that is a confirmed breakout to me. We have one touch point right here, almost two right there, 3, 4, almost 5, and then a perfect 6th validation. That's the most recent. That basically confirms that this is the right level to draw, the right location to draw this descending level of resistance, and we did break out of that luckily. But we are seeing some resistance on these moving averages right here. We did have the death cross recently. If we are on the 4-hour chart, 4-hourly, we did have the death cross, and this is going to be the most important death cross of these moving averages right here that I'm about to explain to you. This 55-day moving average, the one that I'm going over now, this one did cross over the smaller 3 moving averages, the 13, the 15, and the 21-day moving averages. That is a death cross that is bearish short term, but guys, if we actually zoom out to the daily, we still have the most important macroscopic moving average golden crosses, in my opinion at least. We have the most important one, which is going to be the 200-day EMA. It is still underneath the 15-day moving average, which is the orange one. If you don't know how I'm remembering all this, I'm actually not. The key is basically right here. Okay, they're all color coded. So the 200-day EMA, we do have a large gap between that and the 15-day moving average. We also have the 55-day moving average that did cross recently over the 200-day EMA. That is a bullish sign as well. So we are looking pretty, macroscopically, we're bullish there. Okay, taking a look at the bands, let's throw this on, see if we can get some indication on where price action is likely to go based on the Bollinger bands. They are hooking in a little bit. This does mean decreased volatility. We are likely to see another bounce, in my opinion, but with these bands right now, there's really not much indication of where we're going. Okay, we're kind of just staying roughly where we are. We're seeing a little bit of hooking in, but not really. But guys, we are likely, in my opinion, to see a strong, if we do pull back, which I think is unlikely right now, it is very unlikely. If we actually pull up the RSI, let's take a look at where we are. We have 41 on the 4-hourly. Let's take a look at the 1-hourly. We're at 50K daily. We're going to be looking at 50. So we're fairly neutral there, okay? But guys, we're oversold. Okay, let's be honest. Even on the 4-hourly chart, the stat is a little bit skewed in my opinion and a little bit off because we were trading at $1 a couple months ago in September, and now we're almost at $20. Well, we're not almost, but we're pretty close. So it's going to be a little skewed. Okay, guys, in my opinion, we are extremely oversold in my opinion right now. All right, I'm going to show you some really bullish news as well from the fundamental standpoint in a second. But if we do pull back, guys, if we pull back, and this is very unlikely, and I would not freak out, but your first level to watch is going to be this level, this descending level that we just broke out of. That's going to be your first support level. I think it's very unlikely that we touch this because this is why you need to have these drawn up on your own charts and your own broker or whatever analysis chart system you use. Webull is very easy to use and it'll be very easy to set up, is the best in my opinion, but anything will work so you can know exactly where the entry points are. Anywhere on this descending level or is going to be an extremely strong level of support. And guys, you may be wondering what the heck is this line out here, right? Well, if we actually zoom out, we have, let's see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points, and they are all pretty much perfect validations on this ascending level. In the future, guys, I can see there's a high likelihood that we will be trading in between these two this channel right here, between these two ascending levels right here. There's a high chance that we will just continue to be trading sideways in this. And guys, this is a bullish sign, okay? As long as we're getting two ascending levels, we're going to be seeing some very bullish price action probably reflect that. But guys, if we do pull back, just draw up these levels, okay? Roughly, when we start the week, roughly it's going to be sitting at roughly $12.60, going all the way down to roughly $12 flat almost, okay? There's a high likelihood that we will actually test this level right here. In my opinion, this top resistance line, we're probably going to be hanging closer to there rather than this ascending level. But anything can happen. If the markets dump, we are definitely going to test this. If the markets dump like another 3% or whatever it was last week, if we do that again, yeah, there's a chance that we will be dumping more. But guys, I don't think that's going to happen. All right, so that's pretty much what we're looking at as far as the technicals go. Let's take a look at some fundamental statistics. Guys, this is what everyone wants to know, right? Ark Q holds holdings. Okay, last time we had the Nano Dimension video, we were like right here or something like right here. Okay, what have they done since then? Okay, according to Kathy's Ark, this website will be linked if you want to go fact check. Okay, this is a reliable source in my opinion. Okay, they've added more. All right, there's not much to say here. Okay, they've added more. They're very bullish, obviously, guys. This is an extremely bullish sign. Okay, so Ark and Kathy Wood, they are adding shares to Nano Dimension. They are still extremely bullish. That is what we're looking at as far as Ark's adding. Taking a look at the institutional shares, we're looking at 53.9%. This is extremely high. Okay, let's look at what institutions have been doing this last week. Okay, green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions. We're seeing all green. We got one red. Okay, we got one red, and this is all on the 16th. Okay, this is 2 weeks ago. This is 16th. Okay. It's all green. Look at these shares. This is the share column right here. Okay, this is how many shares these people have been adding, and this is actually their new position. The green rows are going to be new positions that these people are starting. Okay, these are all new institutions. They're adding more shares, guys. This is extremely bullish in my opinion. Taking a look at FinViz, guys, this is not actually. This is not updated like every day. I mean, the site is updated every day, right? Okay, but this stat that they're getting, this is not updated daily. I think they only update this twice a month. But guys, based on the last data, the most recent data that these guys have, FinViz, 30 short interest is 30%. Okay, so at one time, at least 30% of the shares in the flow had been sold short and not yet covered. So they are going to have to cover eventually. Some of them probably have covered. You know, they obviously could have taken profits any of these last couple of days if they took up a short position up here or anywhere in here. But there's a high chance that not everyone has covered yet, and that is a slightly bullish sign in my opinion. Current positions. Okay, Nano Dimension, we've only not hit 2 of these 7 price targets. These are the ones that I set a month out price target. These ones I have not because they were just a little too late. I probably should do a price target for these a month out. We may be doing that in the future. But yeah, we have hit 5 out of 7 of these, and I'm still extremely confident in our month out price target. If I get it wrong, you know, whatever, you guys, I won't even have to admit to it because y'all will already know, but I will anyway, right? Full transparency. Y'all know what you're getting with this channel. All right. But I'm confident in this still. We will see. We're currently trading at 13. We're negative since I'm barely positive on this stock. Okay, let's look how much I'm down. I'm up a little bit on this. Okay, I'm up $50, 2%. Okay, I've been in this since $10. But I've since averaged up. But yeah, we are kind of getting killed right now, obviously, since February 4th closed. But you guys have to understand, it's not going to be instant gratification, all right? You can't get discouraged and start panic selling if you're one of those people. I'd recommend just not even trying with any of these stocks, okay? Because good luck. If you can't stomach dips, these stocks are all volatile, every single one of them. I mean, this one is a little. Okay, these two are not very volatile, but still, they're pretty volatile compared to your Dave Ramsey type plays, all right? Since we're looking at, guys, into your bear case, $40, into your bull case is $80 to $100 buy, hold, or sell. This is the tied for the strongest buy, tied with BioLace. These two are in very auspicious buy zones, in my humble opinion. Relevant information in regards to the title is finished now, my friends. Feel free to click off if you have more important things to do right now. Extra useful information, beginners. This first one's for everyone. Do y'all want the mouse to be highlighted or not? Like the little yellow highlighted highlight on the actual mouse. Do y'all want that or not? Please comment. Guys, I will try to read all the comments, but if you have a serious suggestion, question, consider emailing. It is much more reliable and auspicious than commenting, because I will not, okay, let's actually just skip this. I should just skip the end of that. Okay, this is why. Okay, I try to read and reply to every comment in the comments. I try to reply to all of them, but it is going to get harder as we grow more and the YouTube notifications are not very consistent. So if you are going to email and if you have something serious, this is the email that you want to send it to me. You have like a 99% chance of me responding if you email. If you guys know any sites that give updated short interest or insider ownership or anything important that you guys really like, comment them, let me, or preferably email them so I see them for sure. Guys, let me know. Yeah, I know we got some real geniuses down in the comments. All right? I read almost all the comments, all right? Especially from new videos. I will read almost all of them, so let me know. Okay, as far as BioLace, okay, and this goes for Nano Dimension as well. Okay, I don't really like Warren Buffett, but this is a genius quote, and this is me paraphrasing. This isn't an actual direct quote. I think there's like a couple words off maybe on this. Okay, the stock market is the device of transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. You need to understand that if you're going to be investing in stocks like this, okay, swinging these stocks is fine if you can do that. I've done that. I did that for both of these stocks, and obviously I missed out on a ton of profit. This is why it's usually pretty hard to swing stocks, guys. If there's clear technicals and fundamentals and you've ran up 300% in the last 2 hours, yeah, that might be an easy swing trade, but usually holding stocks, very auspicious, high potential, considered typically to be high risk. I don't consider any of these to be high risk because I've done the research on them, but usually just picking these stocks, holding them, adding more on the dips, that's what I've found to be the most reliable and easy strategy in my opinion. But everyone's going to have a different strategy, and there's plenty of ways to make money. Okay, good websites for research. I just want to show you this. Okay, y'all already know this. Okay, Fintel.io, Finviz, Reddit, any stocks on Reddit. Okay, you got to take that for what it is. But those are like 3 really good ones that you should probably be looking at. I will make mistakes, guys. Do not expect perfection from me, yourself, or anyone. Be careful in the comments. Bitcoin bots are here. Yeah, we just got a Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin bots are back. They commented on the last BioNano video, actually, I believe. Thumbnails. What do y'all think of the thumbnails? Seriously, let me know. Constructive criticism. Please let me know. What does auspicious descent actually mean? Conducive to success, unpopular opinions. I truly do appreciate the overwhelming majority of comments, which are extremely positive. Thank you all so much. Please not hesitate to call me out on something if I'm missing something in the charts, fundamentals, or anywhere else. Okay, this kind of coincides with this one, right? I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to mispronounce things. I'm going to stutter. I usually shoot these straight through. So just keep that in mind. And if I say something that like needs to be cleared up, that would be confusing for a beginner investor, and I don't catch it, please comment so we can all be clear on that. You said we're brokers. You should do this because you will get free stocks with Webull in the description. Pre-market and after-hours trading, you will have access to this. It is essential to being an informed and accurate and a high probability trader, in my opinion. Come up with stocks I need to cover next. Follow the stocks you own on Reddit and Twitter as well. Also, Roth IRA, Webull does offer this. Roth IRAs they make sense for a lot of people, probably almost everyone watching. You should probably have a Roth IRA. Comment any questions, I will answer them. Success is not going to change this channel's business model, which is straight to the point. No asking for likes, no asking for subs, no putting ads on. If y'all want to do any of this stuff, of course, I want you to, but I'm never going to waste your time in the relevant section. This is the irrelevant section where you are at my mercy, literally, and I will waste your time occasionally in this section. But just know our business model will never change. Also, guys, BioNano to the moon. Check the channel banner. Check the channel banner, guys. BioNano to the moon. Thank y'all so much. And I will see y'all in the next one.